So when you are coming home with your new baby, one of the things that you're probably going to be bringing along with you is a sitz bath. A sitz bath is any form of water that you are going to submerge your hips and your buttocks in to help promote healing. A traditional sitz bath is something that they may provide you at the hospital when you come home postpartum. That sits over the toilet. It's sort of a plastic type of bowl that you would sit in. But you can also just use a bathtub that you fill with water. So a sitz bath during the postpartum period can really help with the healing process, especially if you've had a vaginal delivery and had any sort of tear in the vaginal area, or if you had an episiotomy. It can also be really helpful if you are suffering from hemorrhoids. It helps to reduce the pain as well as inflammation by increasing blood flow to the affected area. If you are using a bathtub for your sitz bath, then you might just actually want to put a towel at the bottom of the tub, or alternatively, if you have an actual sitz bath, you want to fill it with water, usually around 98 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to submerge your hip and your buttocks in it for about 10 to 20 minutes. Once you're done sitting in the sitz bath, that's when you want to pat your skin dry with a soft towel and avoid rubbing. Some pro tips when taking a sitz bath is adding Epsom salt or witch hazel to the water to help promote that healing. You can also add in some guided meditation and take a moment to relax when you're in between recovering and taking care of your newborn baby. The main benefits to taking a sitz bath is to reduce inflammation, promote healing of the area by increasing the blood flow to that particular area, as well as reducing the itching, especially if you had a tear and you have stitches. Things you want to be careful of when you are doing a sitz bath is not having water that is too hot. It can further increase the irritation as you're trying to promote healing.